Hello everyone. I hope you're doing well. In this lesson, I'll continue with the turtle graphics from our last video. If you didn't watch my last video, I recommend you go and watch that because I talked about this turtle and this turtle graphics. And yeah, if this video is for like people who already have a bit of turtle skills. So if you didn't watch that, I recommend you go watch the last one. Okay, so I'll just start and just do a couple of commands to open Turtle. So first, what I would do is type import turtle. Okay, now I will type screen equals turtle dot screen, and the S is a capital, and you put the brackets or parentheses, click enter, and this string pops up. So let's just minimize this a bit so it doesn't get in the way of our coding. Let's make it a bit bigger, like this. Okay, so we will get back to that. So let's just type a simple command dot forward. Let's just do turtle dot forward 10. Let's go and check our command. As you see, it has moved a tiny bit. So let's just type it again. And as you see, it moved ahead. So what I want to do now is that, so what I would want to do now is move like do a bit more commands like pen size and background color and stuff like that. So I would start by entering the turtle dot bg color bracket double quotes. Let's pick blue, for example. Okay, so we can also do turtle the pen color. Turtle the pen color, and then I would maybe type purple. And then after I did that, I would go and click this. So let's check our command. As you see, it's now red. Now let's do a command called turtle dot left 90. As you see, the turtle word will turn. It was pointing this way, now it's pointing this way. If we do another turn, it'll go like this and then this. And then we'll go back to the same position. So what I want you guys to do now is do a forward command. Now, as we go ahead, the thing will become red. So we can also do turtle dot shape and delete this. And let's type square, for example. Okay. Now, as we go into Python module, it will show us that we have done this. And we can also do a couple of other shapes, but the shapes are limited. There are not a lot of shapes because I have tested some up. So as we can see, there, that looks better. So we can also do turtle dot pen, uh, pen size and 10. And now we will enter Python, and then we will have to turn left and then do a forward. Now let's see what has happened. As you see, the pen became thicker. Now there's this other command called import random. So let's type import random. So it's like this thing that you can like do random. Turtle dot forward random. As you see, that will make an error, but if we do this, we will open this, and that will make an error. So I recommend you delete that. But still, that will make an error. So let's just not focus on the random for now. So yeah, we'll make random for a bit more advanced level. So after that, we will also do this command called the turtle shape, and we can change it to circle. So also turtle dot pen size, and we could turn this into 100. And now let's do turtle dot forward 1. Now let's see what happened at this. As you see, this will create a very big screen. So let's do a turtle pen size and make it 1000. Now let's do a turtle forward 1 command again. As you see, this is humongous. As you see, this whole thing has happened. I'll just full screen it. So if you want to make it completely full screen, maybe you can make the least you can do is like around 2500 if you want to fill the screen. And then you can just do a turtle forward 1. We can also use decimals. That will move it a micro bit of it. But still, that will cover up the whole screen. So if you actually want to do that, you can. But there's a simpler way. Just turtle dot. So how I'm doing this is like I'm just pressing the up key on my computer, and I'm pressing the down key to bring back. And the left and right key, I can just go and like edit this stuff. Like I can go here, and the up will bring me here, bring me to the commands I have used. So yeah, if you guys want to do this, just use the up, down, left, right, but do not use WASD, that won't work. So we can also use this turtle.bg color thing, and this also works. Oops, sorry. So I will enter this, and as you see, this will not work because, well, we painted it. So there's this command called turtle.clear. Now if we look at the screen, it's back. We deleted the pen color. And yeah, we have returned back here. So yeah, I guess that's it for our lesson today about our commands. In the next lesson, I'll probably talk about more Python turtle commands or start a new subject. But until next time, I'll have to see what I do. I hope you guys have a great week, and until next time, have a wonderful time.